Hello everyone, if you're facing this error in Roblox Bad Request with the error code 400, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on Roblox. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu and then you're going to write here network connections, and then you're going to click onto your network, and then you're going to go into change settings of this connection, go into internet protocol version 4 TCP4, click properties here, click use the following DNS server addresses. Right here 1.1.1.1 and then write 1.0.0.1. Click OK, close this menu up, and after that you're just going to click onto your network and then click disable this network device, and you're going to wait for 15 to 20 seconds, and after that you're going to go ahead and enable your network device and just wait for it to connect to your internet. Once it's done connecting, now you can try to play Roblox and you'll see that you won't get that error code 400 anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.